We all know how different we are. But there is something we have in common. What we do with deep passion and faith. Because we are gamers. For us, it doesn't matter where you came from. It doesn't matter where you're going. What truly matters is who you want to become today. Introducing Yaw 2, the next generation motion simulator and smart chair from Yaw VR. Yaw 2 is designed for gaming. High precision motion control with extremely low latency. High speed and dynamic motion range. Compact and modular design. Large ergonomic desk for gaming accessories. Built-in vibration.
Left 4 over bump crest. 100. Right 6 over jump, continues for 100 over bump. 100 past junction, crest.
Yaw 2 is perfect for working. Large working space for your keyboard, mouse, and laptop. Replaceable seat for personalized comfort. Built-in timer for scheduling meetings and drinking or break time. Posture correcting assistance for your health. Time to take a break? Choose your favorite relaxing music and program. Then sit back and enjoy the peaceful relaxation in your Yaw 2. Don't miss out on the exclusive pricing on Kickstarter. Pre-order Yaw 2 now and step into the next level of gaming and working. Yaw 2, the next generation motion simulator and smart chair from Yaw VR.
Introducing the Airwirl 3.0 design. Increased wind speed up to an average of 12 miles per hour. New jet nozzle for further cooling. A newly designed tapered air tube. "20-minute auto shutoff feature. Weather resistant and direct power micro USB port. Get all of the new features with the same instant temperature relief that only takes 10 seconds to refresh the ice.
Remember who am I? I'm a boss and I'm honestly off my rocker, but follow me, I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of the game. Ooh, well, I'm ahead now. I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of the game. Said you know I always bring it up finer than the wine, and the clock is always ticking, getting until the time. You'll be cross, you can walk with me, I'm a rock, you can roll with me, I'm ahead of the game. Stop when the clock hits 13. You've been working, but you're flirting with the weekend. You can freak out. 1 in a million. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
Want to touch a door handle. That's because a single handle can contaminate you with billions of germs or a whole office in less than 3 hours. The solution? Meet Touch One, the world's first smart self-disinfecting door handle. We have developed this solution to help you safeguard your visitors and your employees. How does it work? Every time someone uses Touch One, the ring will travel along the surface, eliminating 99% of bacteria and viruses to ensure a germ-free interaction. Touch One is also connected. You can access your personal dashboard to view your activity and have detailed information for every Touch One that you have, how many times it's been used, and peak times to save on cleaning costs. And when your cartridge is running low, you'll be notified to replace it. To replace the cartridge, simply take the tools which are provided and place the magnets on the sides. Remove the lid and replace the empty cartridge with a new one. You'll be ready to go for another 1,000 uses. Oh, and there is no waste. All the empty cartridges are sent back to us to be refilled and recharged.
Wave is a unique ring that makes working from home easier. In a video call, Wave shows you when you're muted. Simply push to talk when you want to be heard. Step away from your computer and keep the conversation going. You can mute, push to talk, turn your camera off, and even raise your hand, all at your fingertips. Wave gives you the freedom to fully express yourself, so you can deliver outstanding presentations. Take control of your music when you need to focus. Adjust the volume with a simple gesture, whether you're in front of your computer or not. Save time by adding unique shortcuts that fit your workflow. Wave is there when you need it, right at your fingertips. Wave. Work reimagined.